I'll just show you something I could try. If you've got a flat brush like this, let me just make sure it's the say of my rag. You see how important it is then? Now, what I'm going to do is just see whether I can get rid of that. What you do is you just wet it, take it off and dab it. There you are, I've got rid of it. That's risky, but you can see it does work. Okay, so that's that. I've got one little bird to finish, and I've nearly finished it because it's now looking really good. But what I was going to show you is how to get rid of that. Now, if you've got one of these, if you haven't, you could use an ordinary rubber, but these are better. Let me show you how I'm going to get them. I'll come nice and close for this so you can see how I'm going to do it. Now, what I'm doing is using the softest part of this eraser, which is the pink bit, and I'm doing over the whole thing. Now, does it mean I've got to use the colour again? Yes, it does. But I've got that graphite line that I put on originally removed. Okay? So, back to where we were before. We've got to now, and I should show you how I can correct that. Go back in with the same paintbrush and just go down again, this time careful as you can. Now, when you get the line drawing, you won't have these guidelines in. I won't put them in because it's better for you to draw them with a pencil. That'll be a B or something like that. That one's also just a little faint. We'll make that a little bit stronger. And that goes all the way down to there. Yes, it's best to use that. Oh, something else I was going to show. I just remembered. I told you that I was going to do something with that. Well, I can. Let me show you how this works. A little bit of water on your paintbrush, right? And you just emulsify this area. Now, this is clever. Watch this. Just dab the water on and take it off with your... See? You wouldn't know, would you? What we can do then, and I just give it a couple of minutes to dry off. In fact, if you just dab it a couple of times with your tissue and make sure that it's all dried off, you can redo it again. So back to where we were before with our dark green, black mixture. Right, that should do it. Give it a go. Haven't got much to do. We've just got to come from here down to there. There we are. Now just a little more perhaps. Make sure we've got it as we want it. And well, turn it round the other way. And now we can see the mast. Very clever, isn't it?